Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike AIR FOOTSCAPE WOVEN. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. You know, without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike AIR FOOTSCAPE WOVEN. We've got this in the black smoke grey sail colorway in the UK size 8. It's European 42.5, and this is a women's shoe, so this is a women's 10.5. But typically, if you're looking at men's, it's usually a size up to what the UK counterpart is. So this would be a US 9. So let's get unboxing. So here they are, and it depends if you've been with us, you know, the one-up guys. If you've been with us for quite a long time, you would know that one of my favorite sneakers of all time is the Nike AIR FOOTSCAPE WOVENs. And it's a shame because I think Nike could have done better. There was a lot of dope releases that came out with this pony hair version. Like there was like a leopard and the cow print ones. I thought they were dope. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a pair. They sold out quickly. Able to get this black pony hair, but I'm more of a fan of the rainbow. Those are my favorite, like the 2012 Choco Woven rainbows. Honestly, those are my grails. But this is just as good. Again, I love the design. But let's get into all the details right now for you before we get into the uppers. I will start with the outsole. So this outsole is more attuned to the original AIR FOOTSCAPE Wovens, as opposed to the ones that we did a review on quite a while ago. So if you check that review out, it was on a different sole unit. I believe it was the Nike 3. This is the OG FOOTSCAPE Choco unit. And we've got a rubber outsole. You can see the waffle print as well. And you can see the exposed foam. So if you're looking at the midsole, you've got a foam midsole, and you've got a Nike Air unit that's inside, encapsulated in this midsole unit. Then you look at the upper, and this is what I love about the FOOTSCAPE Woven. It is that woven patterning that makes the upper very unique. I mean, the pony hair itself as well is very unique. It's in this black faux pony hair, and then you got the woven. It's in this textile material, and I just love the look of it. It's a very niche sneaker. It's a proper sneakerhead sneaker, if that makes any sense at all. Very lightweight. I just want to look at the woven patterning, so it goes all around the upper of the sneaker. And you look at the tongue, so you've got this suede tongue as well. It's like a microfiber. Cross laces, only comes in the grey laces, unfortunately. And if you look at the insole, so this insole itself is a synthetic materials textile right there for you. That rounds up the review, guys. I am a big fan of the FOOTSCAPE Woven. I'm a bit disappointed that I was only able to get this pair, which sucks, because I really want Nike to do a release of the rainbows again, and like it was in a chuck up high. This one is like kind of a low cut. You still got the aesthetics there. One thing I forgot to mention is at the back you got a Nike swoosh made out of pony hair as well. Very lightweight, such a dope sneaker. Very 2000s look. Very niche. I know a lot of you guys aren't a big fan, but I'm here for it. These are my favorite kind of Nike sneakers that got released. Wishing that Nike would do a rainbow pack again, and if anyone from Nike is watching, and we know that you are, drop that goodness. All that said, let's get into the on feet. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Nike. This is a UK size 7.5, which is typically what I wear for Nike. However, I think I should have got a size 7 because my other pair of Footscape Wovens, they're a UK size 7. I like that snug fit. There's a bit of space. It's not as loose, but I feel like when it comes to these kind of sneakers, I prefer them to be a bit snug. But that's just my personal preference. You might want that bit of space or not. These look really cool on. Big fan of the AIR FOOTSCAPE Wovens. That's just me as a person. It's my favorite silhouette from Nike. Very unique, obviously with the woven upper. Looks really dope on with my pair of Uniqlo joggers. This is not a paid ad. Just if you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of parachute joggers from Uniqlo. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.